Coffee and cocoa nursery operators are set to benefit from the European Union's Greener project that aims at easing access to planting materials by farmers.
Usually, under crop production, there are two things that are very important. If you have quality seed and you have fertile soil, you will have a quality produce or product from any crop. So under this project, we are tackling two areas. That is the problem of access to quality planting materials, that is access to quality seedlings of coffee and cocoa. And once the farmers access that, then we'll give them soil fertility guidelines and agronomic practices. Then ultimately we will have increased yield per tree, and later on we have increased yield per acre, and that covers the production on large scale and productivity, which is the yield that you get per tree or per acre.
Senior Research and Coordinator for the Greener Project, Dr. Fred Sechiwoko, highlights that over 50,000 initial stocks of planting materials will be given to 10 nursery operators in the regions of Kigezi, Greater Masaka, West Nile and Elgon region.
So we are putting in place mechanisms that will enable us generate materials that the nursery operators can access and then multiply to eventually give the farmers. In this project also, we are having new varieties that we want to test out in the different areas of Uganda. That is varieties of coffee, that is Robusta coffee and Arabica coffee, to see how suitable they can grow in those areas so that eventually they become released as varieties for farmers to grow and then help us to expand the area where coffee now grows.
Mfuga Samuel, a nursery operator and a commercial coffee farmer from Greater Masaka region, expressed optimism in the initiative on grounds that it will increase their profits.
The launching of CocoDev funding is going to help. We are really very optimistic that we are likely to get money from farmers who are going to be buying our seedlings, the high quality seedlings from us. And the good thing is about the coffee wilt disease resistant varieties which we have at our nurseries. So we are likely to get quite a good number of clients, particularly those who will have benefited from this CocoDev project.
Coffee and cocoa are one of Uganda's foreign exchange earners, and therefore initiatives that boost the productivity of the two crops are welcome.